Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Shan, and I must apologize for the long waiting of my content. You know, girl have business going on and girl get busy and thing like that. So girl have to do what them have to do, is it? But as the title stated today, drop the faux locks tutorial. I'm gonna show you the way how I do my faux locks, and if you wanna see how I achieve this nice lightweighted bouncy faux locks here, definitely keep on watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on all socials at shansbeauty_glam. Alright? So, just stay tuned. Firstly, guys, I get my ear freshly washed and plait overnight by my aunt, of course. And these are some of the tools that I'll be using in this tutorial. And guys, please do not bash my comb. Thank you. I'm using 1 pack of the Ghana Passion Twist ear, 4 packs of the Yaman braid, 3 in number 1 which is black and 1 in burgundy. These ear actually came pre-loosed, but you know the girl want to do some extra work, so I'm actually loosening it up more for myself. So when I wrapped the ear, it actually looked a bit messy and not too perfect. This video, guys, is my way of doing the faux locks here. It's not your way. Do not bash my video, please and thank you. This is my second time doing this. My way can be easy, your way can be easy. My way can be hard, your way can be hard. What I did though, I waxed my ear first so I get all baby ears together. I did 2 ear off camera. I may not talk you through this here now that I'm doing, but I know for sure the next year I will talk you through. What I can say for now though, I use the Yaman here to wrap 2 to 3 times at the root before I could wrap downward onto the ear. I hope what I'm saying in this video may make a little sense or a bit clear. Well, if not, I know for sure the video is. Now guys, grab your book and your pencil because I am going to talk you through this one, of course. Now I take the pin through my ear. I hitch the Ghana twist onto the pin and slightly draw it through. What I'm doing now is turn the Yaman ear upside it down, one of the end though, upside it down before I start to wrap. I'm getting a little confused here because of the way I fix my hands. I'm doing the same procedure as I did with the ear before, wrapping it 2 to 3 times at the root before I can wrap downward. So I'm opening the Yaman ear a little bit more so the wrapping won't look too neat, too perfect. So I'm speeding it up a little. What I did with some of the ends, guys, I knot some of the ends and some of the ends I do not knot. After I knot the ends, I wrapped it upward like I'm wrapping it back onto the ear. Then I rub the ends together so the ear can itch into the ear that I wrapped before. Now guys, this is the next day. I could actually finish my ear the same day, but I choose not to, and worse, I was in my dad's room doing my ear and my father run me out. Him run me out. And me get up in the morning now, so I go finish my ear. And guess what again, guys? My father run me again. So, I actually have to find my own quarters. So, I did the same procedure right here as I did before. I turn one of the end upside it down before I start wrapping because I don't want the end of the yaman ear to be sticking out. So I turn it upside it down. I wrap the root 2 to 3 times before I wrap downward. And guys, if you can see on the ear, you can see that I'm not wrapping it neat at all because you can see the passion twist showing in the ear. As I said before, I hope what I'm saying is actually making sense. And this is the way I want my ear to look, guys. I don't want it to look perfect, none at all. Now, I'm gonna take you through this ear a bit slower. I did the rest of the ear off camera. So this is the last ear that I have left. Now I pull through the passion twist. I didn't level both ends. I let them stay uneven. I'm taking the yaman here now, turning one of the ends upside it down. I hold both the passion twist ear and my ear together, and I'm wrapping the yaman ear around the root 2 to 3 times. And I'm not wrapping the root tight, guys, because I easily get migraine and I can't face any headache right now. So I'm wrapping it, guys, and I'm not wrapping it perfect. Look at that. You can see the passion twist here right there because I'm not wrapping it perfectly. Look. And guys, if my video be easy or make sense to you, you can give my video a thumbs up and drop whatever you want to drop into the comment, any suggestion or thing like that, or yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how I do the ends. I am knotting both ends before I can get the close end. I knot it, then I'm gonna take one end first, wrap it upward like I'm wrapping it, re-wrapping the ear up and down, yeah. And I'm taking the last end, wrapping it upward, wrapping it. Then I'm going to rub the ends together so it can itch into the ear that was wrapped before, because as you can see some hair sticking out. Yes, because I didn't wrap it neat. So guys, this is the final look of the ear. And guys, this ear is light and it very bouncy. It very bouncy, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, if you did enjoy my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yes, as you can see today.
In the title, as you can see, I got, I, and don't forget to follow me on all socials at shansbeauty_glam. Ensure to follow me. Lord Jesus, me not said that already. And don't forget, mummy, that I go in there.